And it's just been Christmas time, and I got some exciting bike things, including a drone. Not funny, is it? I don't know what I did then. No! Hang on. One way makes it go that way. Go away. There. Oh no! No, come back! Come back! Hello, cherubs. Here I am. Overexcited. I don't know why. Is it the 3rd of January today? Anyway, as you can see, I'm wearing sensible clothes to do the bike. Actually, I forgot to take these off, but this is sensible enough. And let me show you. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep looking myself as well. So I thought was my mouth for. I'm going to give you an update. Major's talking as well. Going to give you an update on the bike. Tell you what's happened. I'm going to show you. Back wheel on, it's still blue, haven't cleaned it yet. Back wheel on, I remember when I did it before and I said I heard that crack. And somebody said, oh, you should really read the manuals and you shouldn't be doing it to 150 Newton meters. But they were wrong, and it is 150 meters, and I checked everything. And the back wheel is on, everything's in place, it's great. It's all aligned now. You can still see a bit of, I think, maybe, yeah, you can there, a bit of the crack detection stuff, what I did. So I put crack detector all over the frame, and it's all grand and great. New bits and pieces, as you know. I don't know why those tickle my fancy, but they really do. All other stuff done, as you know, all of this straightened out and new brackets made. Same for the back. New bracket, new indicator. Exhaust is off, and exhaust shall be on again. But I will rewrap this one. I may rewrap that one. I know, I can put you here. Hello, Plumptious. Can you see the bike? No, so we can just see you. I'm definitely going to rewrap that one. I might do that one. If it looks different, I will. But that one only needs doing because my boot rubs on it. Sissy bars back, luggage rack. Bits and pieces. Oil filter came today. Ooh, crash bar came. I'll show you. Made. Oh, la 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 la, perfectly beautiful. That is horrible. The space there where the Vulcan was. Here I am in my comfy chair. Actually, I'll put you there. Yes. By the fire. Let me show you. It's not very big, but it's definitely a lot warmer. So in a minute I'm going to put some sensible boots on and do the oil change. It's got new brakes. Do the oil change, put the engine bar on, oil filter. Oh, I know what should be coming, what should have come already today, but it hasn't. The airbox cleaner. So apparently it makes all the difference. K&N airbox sort of air filter cleaner. Clean it, sort of oil it. Apparently it makes a humongous difference. And then as well, this is just going to be a chatter. A chatter and a chat and a waffle and a slight rant. And the police haven't found the Vulcan, the GF750. That's a bummer. I mean, not that I want to go on about this, but who steals a really old bike that there aren't many on the roads? So it's going to be pretty noticeable. And as well, it's so, I don't know, easily identifiable. I mean, it didn't look like any other bike. I suppose, do they just, I don't know. You don't know, do you? You don't know where it is or anything. But anyway, police haven't contacted me with anything about that. But they have actually. They've contacted me a few times and been very good, but there's nothing they can do. And it's just been Christmas time. And I got some exciting bike things, including a drone. This is the drone. It's not easy. Surely it is. It really isn't. I've always wanted one of those. Since I saw somebody's video and they were sitting at a table or something like that talking, their bikes were there and this thing was going up. And I said, how on earth did you get that footage? Oh, I think they were riding around or something. And they said, it's a drone. And I thought, I bet they're thousands of pounds. Anyway, I got one for Christmas, and it wasn't thousands of pounds. I don't know how much it was. Very exciting. So I got a drone for Christmas. And I've tried to sort of do it in here. Maybe I'll do a little video for you of me trying to get the hang of it, because my son had a go as well, and he did it absolutely perfectly. He did it so perfectly that he was sort of chasing me around with it, and I was going, ah! And it sounds like a swarm of bees, which is rather off-putting. But that will be exciting, I hope. But all I did was I got it stuck up there in the ivy, and it started. It's quite good, actually. If you want to strim somewhere where you can't reach, it was strimming all the old ivy down. Another thing I got, what I really love, is an impact driver. Yes! That's exciting. And other stuff as well. But I'm not here to talk about what Father Christmas delivered for me. The other thing, do you want to know a really weird thing? So the barn is sort of getting cleaner. Do you like my man seat? Not seat, do you like my man stance? Sort of been getting a bit tidier in here. All the tools are anally in order now, which is quite exciting. And then I did the shed, you know, my glorious bike shed that I made myself, and did the same in there. And then I realised something most bizarre. I've only got one number 16 spanner. Isn't that bizarre? I've got about 600 of all the others, but only one number 16. I've got a 16 ratchet as well, but that's different. Don't you just adore ratchet spanners? I do. Whoever came up with that was so clever. I love that. I love the motion and the noise and just everything about them. They're brilliant. Is this just going to be a waffle? I think so. Shall I go and do a bit of work? Yes, Sophia. Me just talking. I've got red lipstick on because I thought it would cheer me up. Not that I need cheering up because I'm quite jolly at the moment. Anyway, so I've got to go and do the oil filter. Front brakes are great. Oil change, which I'll show you. Show you the drone, which is rather exciting. I think you have to press it up and then down. No, don't do that. I have to press it on. It's not moving. Do you have to do anything on it here? How do you do it? Woo! That's how you do it. So, there it is. It's not easy. Although everybody will probably say to me, it's flashing. Bollocks. How do you make it work? Woo! It sort of seems like it should be working. Not funny, is it? I don't know what I did then. No! Hang on. One way makes it go that way. Ah, 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 ah! Go away. There. Oh no! I think that makes it go down. Right. I find. Right, wrong way, over here. Wrong way. Oh! Oh, I remember. Little movements. No, come back! Come back! These are the ducks. Hello, ducks. They're Indian runners. Aren't they funny? They are very, very amusing to watch. That is their mother. Well, she thinks they're her children. Hello, Frither. Hello, you two. Anyway, the ducks are growing. Is it nice weather, Dad? Yeah? Nice and warm?